Right, guys, so it's days later and I'm back to continue this tutorial. And so, yeah, it turns out that this thing actually works. So, as you can see, they did they indeed removed some of the statistics, what, because of whatever their reason was. And my stats for the past days or week have been this. And let me show you guys how much they paid me for my CPM. Okay, I think I've got a cold and I'm about to sneeze. Okay, wait. Okay, oh, that's better. I didn't sneeze. So my earnings, as you can see, for the last few days, where this was a $1.20, $1.25, $1.27, 68 cents so far for today, and let's go and see what I mean. Let's see the withdrawal tab. So finally, I managed to withdraw about 23 USDs, and these are my earnings. Right, as you can see here, these first two payments were returned because in Zimbabwe apparently you can't use PayPal. Why can't you use PayPal in Zimbabwe? Because you cannot receive any PayPal payments when you're in Zimbabwe. However, you can send money using PayPal, but you can't receive, which is a different case if you're using Squill. So with Squill, you can receive and send, which is very cool. So yeah, I end up using a Squill for this payment here. This payment here is the one that I ended up using for Squill. That it was the first one was $10.82 and it was completed. And yesterday I did this payment again, the $12 payment I was given yesterday, as you can see right there. And so yeah, this thing actually pays you guys. It does pay you guys. So now, because some of you still don't believe it, I'm going to have to show you guys my Skrill account. So my Skrill account, here it is. And as you can see, my recent activity. Oh, you maybe want me to refresh it again. Okay, let me refresh it again for ya. There you go. So as you can see again, the other time they paid in, this guy paid in about 1082. This time that was May the 6th, and this is May the 24th, and I got another 12 bucks, which is roughly about how many days? 18. Yeah, 18 days difference there for me to to raise that much. Not much money, but it actually does help. It actually does help. So yeah, and then let me try to see if I can get my what you guys call it, if I can get my bank statement to show up on my screen. Just hold on for a moment. Let's pause this video for a moment, just a brief moment. I'll be back. Right, so this is my bank statement with my information on it. Obviously I'm going to blur out some information on it when I eventually screen this video. So as you can see, there are no payments like that payment on the 6th, as you can see right there. To confirm my account, scroll through, we can call it, let's take about $2 from my account and put it into my school account. But then upon depositing it, it deposited back the $12. This is 12 because they took my $2 and they added their own $10, which is $12, and they put it back. So this is the payment that you're seeing there. So it took me roughly about 2 days to get my payment from Squill to my bank card. So that's how long I'm expecting the last payment that I did to get to my bank account. So this is a Zimbabwean bank account. So for many people who keep doubting and thinking it's not possible, it is actually possible, guys, and I think you guys should try it. Yeah, so that's a wrap. Like, that's all I had for you guys today. And yeah, I'm out. If you guys want me to know anything else, you guys can come up and say something. So for today we have this amount, and we're waiting for it to reach at least $10, because you can only withdraw as much as $10 if you're using Squill, but if you're using PayPal you can go as low as $5. and depending on a CPM, is that what you call CPM? Yes. Let's see. Right there, that is very low, 3.49. Sometimes it goes as high as 4.3, 4.7. It has never gone to 5 for me. It has always been 3.5, 3.67, somewhere there for me. And that's about it, guys. So yeah, have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial and you will join in again. I'll put the link in the description, the referral link, so you guys can join me in making money. Not much, but it definitely is money. Later.